Now we'll see how we can create multiple components in ReactJS. So first thing that we have done over here is created one component called courses, and this is supposed to show the list of courses that we are offering. So first of all, what we have done is created this courses component, and then using the render method of React, we have associated this courses element to the div container. So if I now run this in browser, all I will be able to see is we have following courses to offer, and this is the text that will be displayed. So let's run and see it in action. So here is the output we have, following courses to offer. Now in order to display the list of courses that we have, what I can do is I can create one new component, and let's name it as course, and it will have one property, let's say course name, and that course name will then have the name of the course, master ReactJS, let's say. And let's close this. Let's have one more course over here that we have, so we can say master AngularJS. Now these are a couple of courses that we have created. In order to make this work, we have to create this course component as well, and the way to do that is simply copy this one and put it over here, use the name over here as course, remove everything from here, so it's a blank component now. Now over here, what I want is to display the property that we have used, course name property. So in order to access that, we can say this dot props dot name of the property. So here is the property name, course name, and now this should work fine. So let's save it and run this in browser. So there you go. Here you can see master ReactJS and master AngularJS coming up as the list of courses that we are offering. Now that definitely shows how we can create multiple components, but wouldn't it be better if we can get this data from an array sort of thing and then display it? So if I have, let's say, multiple courses, then it will be easier to list those courses. So let's try and do that. So first of all, what we have done over here is we have created an array of our courses. So this is the list of courses that we have currently: master ReactJS, AngularJS, Knockout.js, then JavaScript and jQuery, EC2 LAMP. So the list is ready now. What we have done is we have used this list as a property to our main courses component. So here we have passed this courses list to a list property of our courses component. This is the courses component that we have. We have not made any change to our course component. Now inside this courses, what we have done is this property list that we had. Now this exposes a method, basically map function, and using that map function we can loop through all the elements or all the courses that we have in this course list, and inside that we are simply returning the course component to this variable called course. So we are creating it, and you can see that the course has got the course name property, and this course name is getting its value from course.courseName, which is actually this value. So the course element is created, so the course component is created and assigned to this course variable, and inside this return we are simply returning that particular course and then displaying it in the browser. So obviously course is nothing but this item, so whenever we are saying course.courseName, this course is getting created, returned, assigned to this variable called course, and then shown over here. So if I run this in browser now, you'll be able to see the list of courses that we created. So this makes it easier basically. So if I have one more course, let's say, you can simply add it to the list, and then that is all that's required from my end to show this new value as well. Let's say Node.js. So simply run this one and you will see Node.js appearing as well. Now what we can do is we can further simplify it by moving out this particular section from here to a new component and then using one line over here of that component. So we'll be doing that now, further breaking it down to a new component. So we have further simplified this. We have created a new component called course collection, and we have introduced a new property on this component called list, which is getting the value from the courses list property. And the courses list property, as we can see, is getting the value from this array. So basically we are assigning this array now to course collection, and this course collection, you can see, is doing the same thing which we were earlier doing over here inside this itself. Now if you can see, it's pretty much simplified and easy to understand. So the course collection is simply displaying the list of all the courses that we have, and all we are doing is returning the course from this course collection. So now running this in browser gives me the list of courses that we have. So this was how you can create multiple components, how you can use one component inside the other one, and we'll be exploring more on this in the next lecture.